Hi, I'm Shrishti Singh. My register number is UR14CS232. Today we are going to see our ninth experiment of a web technology, that is a database connectivity. In our ninth experiment, we have to establish a connectivity between our MySQL and our web page. Over here we are using a PHP to do so. Doctype.html head title link is given. Link is connected to a CSS page. Body of the web page, body ID, body color is given, div element, sign in, field set, legend, login. Here we have to log in over here. So when we log in, it will go to the next page. Then we have created a form for login in which we have a user, and input type is made as text, and password in which the input type is password, and the size is given as 40 in both. Now the input ID, we're using a submit button. It will be in the form of a button, and when we press, we'll log in and it will show that we are successfully logged in. We'll close our field set, development in the body tag, and the HTML file. Now we'll start with the PHP. Now in this, what happens is if it's set, like if a post is submit and it is the database connectivity is proper, then the message will go as localhost S of database host equal to localhost, dollar of database user equal to root. In PHP we use dollar for showing variables input. Now the password is given us, and then it will open a SQL connection. This thing, dollar connection equal to MySQL connect db host, db user, db password, and this will open a SQL connection. And if our connection is wrong, it will give us connection error. Then we have to select the database in which we are selecting the name as login database. MySQL select db connect database. If there will be an error, it will show database error. The query to, now we are over here, we are using we have to the query to retrieve the data. ID is given as post user, password is given, query 1, select start from user, a result, MySQL query, connect query, if I equal to true, while row equal to SQL, fetch array result. Now if a row is row username and password, if it is true, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Now if it is false, it will give the message as if it is false, then it will give the message as invalid username or password, and if it is true, it will give the location connectivity. Now we'll close our connection. We'll run this and then we'll see what is the output we are getting. Over here I'm typing a username, I'm typing hello and password. Now password, when we log in, it will show log successfully. Now I'll go to my code and again I'll show. Now my register.php, in this again issue head tag is there, which we are using register. Over here we saw this register. What will happen when we go through this register? Over here the body ID is given as body color, div element is sign in, field set is width is given, legend is given over here, sign up here. Now the form is given for user, again password, and this is connected to our reg success.php, that is a PHP file, we'll see later. Now our input type is password, input ID, we are using submit button over here to register it, and if we are already using, then it will give the messages. If we are already registered, it will give us already registered. Now we'll go to our register.php. In our register.php, then the local host, the database local host, user, password, and then over here this three opens by database connectivity. Now connection SQL connect bb host, and if it is not right, we'll give a connection error. This is used to open my SQL connection. To select the database, we're using database name login db, MySQL select db. If it is not right, it will give a database error. To retrieve the data, we are using spost and ppost for username and password. The query, we have to use insert from users, username, password, values will be ID and password. If MySQL query connection query echo, we are displaying the output, will be registered successfully, else it will show an error and we will close our connection, MySQL connection. Then it will show as registered successfully. Now when we register it, now if when we get, it will show it we have already registered for it. This is the end of my lab exercise 9 for web technology. Thank you.